Welcome all. Thank you for watching my video again. In the website, I had also developed a category called the templates. So with the templates, I had developed in two categories, one for the project management and second for the contracts management. So the effective usage of these templates will save you time. As you have seen, the project management consisting of 5 categories. You have initiation, you have planning, you have execution, you have monitor and control, and you have closeout. And similarly, you have in the contracts management, you have the pre-tender and post-tender, and you have the pre-contract and post-contract. So with the effective usage of templates, an organization will ensure the proper utilization of the templates will save the time, improve the teamwork, and effective management and control of cost in the overall execution strategy. Thank you.